Student, I am your Savitri ma'am. Now we will read from Odisha and we will do question answer of chapter 3. Odisha is famous for its textiles, silver work and handicraft items. Coal, iron and ore and manganese deposits are also found here. Odisha जो है टेक्सटाइल, सिल्वर वर्क, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स के लिए फेमस है, हस्तकला के लिए. कोल, आयरन और मैग्नीज डिपॉजिट्स, ये सभी जो है खनिज लवण यहाँ पाए जाते हैं. कटक एंड राउरकेला आर इंडस्ट्रियल सिटीज, ये जो जगह है कटक एंड राउरकेला ये औद्योगिक शहर है. ओडिसी इज ए पॉपुलर डांस, यहाँ का पॉपुलर डांस जो है ओडिसी है. मोस्ट पीपल स्पीक ओडिया, बहुत सारे लोग ओडिया भाषा बोलते हैं. द रथ यात्रा इज अ पॉपुलर फेस्टिवल, यहाँ की पॉपुलर फेस्टिवल है. यहाँ पिक्चर में आप लोग देख सकते हैं रथ यात्रा. द चिल्का लेक इट विथ इट्स बर्ड सेंचुरी अट्रैक्ट मेनी टूरिस्ट. चिल्का लेक जो है यहाँ का और बर्ड सेंचुरी जो है चिड़ियाघर अट्रैक्ट पर्यटकों के आकर्षण का केंद्र है. Now we will do true false. The Bhakra Dam has been built across river Ganga. False. The Humayun tomb is in Delhi. True. The beaches of Goa are very famous. True. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. True. Mohiniyattam is the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh. False. Write one word answer for each. Find silt deposited by rivers along its banks. Alluvium, the branch of river Ganga that flows in Bangladesh. Padma, the state famous for Sattu Paratha, Bihar. The western coastal plain faces this sea. Arabian, the popular festival of Kerala, Onam. Understand? Now we will do question answer. Answer these questions. How do the rivers of the northern plains make the land fertile? The northern plains extended from Punjab to Assam. They comprise the fertile river basins of Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra, thus make the land fertile. Write any 4 monuments that you would like to visit in Delhi. You can also like your favorite. I would like to visit Red Fort, India Gate, Lotus Temple and Jama Masjid. Into how many parts is the western coastal plains divided? Write their names. Western coastal plains are divided into 3 parts. The Gujarat coast towards the north, the Konkan coast in the middle, the Malabar coast towards the south. Understand? What are the main occupation of the people living in coastal areas? Fishing and farming are the main occupation of the people living in coastal areas. Write the names of crops grown in Kerala. Rubber, tea, coffee, spices, rice and coconut are grown in Kerala. Next question. Think and answer. Why is salt making restricted to the coastal areas? The salt is often near the coast from the ocean in a very high amount. That is why the salt making is restricted to coastal areas. As we know, 3% of water contains salt. सी वाटर में 3% ही नमक होता है, इसलिए उसको निकालने में ज्यादा प्रॉफिट नहीं है, इसीलिए रिस्ट्रिक्टेड